Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Yaji Info Hub. The stock market is a platform where people buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you are purchasing a piece of that company. The marketplaces where the stocks are bought and sold are the stock exchanges. In India, we have the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange, and we have such stock exchanges around the world in different countries. You as an investor are part of the stock market ecosystem, which is a complex and network of numerous participants, institutions, and mechanisms that enable the trading of stocks. The ecosystem is global in nature with markets interconnected across countries. Economic events, geopolitical issues, and technological advancements can have widespread impacts, influencing investor sentiments and market dynamics globally. Of course, investing in shares involves risks, but the best way to minimize this risk is to be independent and informed investor. Do not invest in stock markets blindly or be influenced by emotions and sentiments. I have been an investor myself for the last couple of years and I have learned many things. This video is all about sharing my experiences and learnings as how to be an independent and informed investor in stock market. I will be sharing the step-by-step approach to embarking on this journey. Please remember, information and knowledge reduce our risks. The first step is to educate yourself. Start regularly reading financial news and magazines. Go to the websites which talk about stock markets and trends. Also see some financial news channels on the TV. Further, you can take some online courses on investing and financial markets. There are plenty of such platforms like Udemy, StockEdge, Khan Academy, etc. Read some good books on investing in stock markets. The second step is to understand the basics. Understand the big picture of economy. Understanding economics is definitely important for an investor. All businesses are dependent on the economy. Understand how the business and economic cycles work. Understand the importance of economic indicators, both leading and lagging indicators. Also, familiarize yourself with the basic concepts such as market indexes, bull and bear markets, and diversification. The third step is to set financial goals. Determine whether what you want to achieve with your investments, whether it's retirement, buying a house, or education. Also define your risk tolerance based on your financial situation and investment horizon. Be clear on what you're looking for, whether it's a long-term growth, income from dividends, or short-term gains. Fourth step is to use a watch list. Create a list of stocks you are interested in and monitor them before deciding to invest. Today we have trading platforms and apps which support this feature. Make use of it intelligently. Also do research and analysis on these stocks. Analyze individual stocks. Look into the company's financial statements, management team, competitive landscape, and industry trends. Look at the past performance data on these companies. Do the fundamental and technical analysis of the stocks you plan to invest on. Also, adapt the following important practices. Consider ETFs, that is exchange trading funds, and mutual funds. These can offer diversification and may be less risky than individual stocks. Understand which sectors are thriving and why. Analyze trends that could impact future growth, like technology or healthcare advancements. Keep abreast of market news, company announcements, and global events that might affect the stock markets. Spread your investments across various industries and sectors. Don't put all the eggs in one basket. Understand your risk tolerance. Keep an eye on broader economic indicators like interest rates, unemployment rates, and inflation, as they can affect stock prices. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on markets, volatility, or hype. Stick to your investment strategy and goals. Stay flexible and be ready to pivot if certain investments are not meeting the expectations. Regularly review your portfolio performance and rebalance as needed based on your investment goals and market conditions. Seek professional advice if needed, especially if you are unsure about certain decisions. Finally, I am sharing the key points you need to remember in order to be an independent and informed investor in stock market. By adapting to these steps and practices what I have shared, you can become a self-sufficient and knowledgeable investor capable of making informed decisions in the stock market. I have adopted to these practices myself, and this has given me confidence in navigating myself in the stock markets and minimizing the risks which with the knowledge and experience I have gained so far. I hope this video was useful and added some value to you in your investment journey. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.